we're continuing to post and record transactions for merchandise purchases. And it looks from my general journal like I got all the way through half of this transaction, but I didn't get the other half here. This is one of the benefits of writing in this posting reference column as we go. So here, I'm going to go ahead and do that one. This is May the 6th. Posting reference, General Journal 1. I've got a credit of 400. I've got a credit of 400 as well. This is account 321. Now here is the transaction for the 7th. And again, I have accounts payable that I need to do. Account 411. On the 7th, General Journal 1 still. And accounts payable is going down by $3,000. This is where they pay a bit of their bill. So here, we can do the math. 5,100 minus $3,000 is $2,100. That's rather is $2,100. Put it here, $2,100. So now I've got that May 7th, the posting part of it recorded. But again, I also have to record that amount in my subsidiary ledger. So let me do that now. There's my subsidiary ledger. This is the one to make up wholesalers. There's the 7th. General Journal, page 1. This is a debit of $3,000. And so now, I don't owe them anything. It's going to be 0. So now I have posted and recorded that transaction. Now I need to do something with cash. So I'm actually letting go of a little bit of cash. I'll have to record or post rather that transaction. I don't need to record it because it's not in accounts payable. Cash is being reduced by $2,940. I'll get a credit, and so I'm going to take this $300,000 and subtract $2,940, which leaves me with that amount there. We're going to put that in my journal, or in my ledger. There. So there is my credit amount. Yep. Okay, so there's the cash on the 7th. And in my general journal, I'll put the posting reference, and also I need to do purchase discounts. Account 311. And there's purchase discounts. There's May, and there's the 7th. This is General Journal, page 1. This is a credit of $60. And then the balance is going to be $60 in that account. Account 311. Or rather 331. So there, now I've posted to purchase discounts. That brings me to the end of General Journal, page 1. I'm off to General Journal, page 2. First thing is purchases. This is account 311. And there's purchases on May the 10th. I bought some stuff. This is General Journal, page 2 now. I bought $4,500 worth of stuff. This is going to increase the amount that I have in my purchases section. So it's going to be $10,000. It's going to be our new balance on this account. And this is going to be account 311. And I have some more cash as well. 1,500. This is going to be, or rather I have less cash. This is going to be 10 on the 10th. And now we have General Journal, page 2. 4,500. That's my debit. So now I'm going to do, or rather my credit. So now I'm going to do the math here. Minus, going down a little bit more because we're buying stuff. 2,900, or 209. Let me see if I can say this number here. $292,000 and $560, something like that. Anyway, there. And actually that should have been a minus sign there. There. Yep, that's right. So there's our May 10th transaction. We go ahead and put in the posting reference. Now we have another accounts payable transaction, which means that again we have to post to the subsidiary ledger. So first let me find the general ledger account. This is on the 15th. This is from General Journal, page 2. And this is a debit of $1,000. That was pretty easy. As far as the math goes, it's $2,100 minus $1,000 equals $1,100. I'll put my posting reference in here, but once again, I remember I have to put this in the subsidiary ledger as well. And there's my subsidiary ledger. This is the bill to Designer Looks. I paid this on the bill to Designer Looks. This is on the 15th. General Journal, page 2. And this is, let me see here, this is a debit of $1,000. So now I'll owe them $1,100 again. And you notice that that since we've paid off this Makeup Wholesalers account, our accounts payable account is exactly equivalent to our Designer Looks amount there. So now I need to do the cash. Over here there's cash. This is on the 15th. General Journal, page 2. And this is a credit of $1,000. So it's going to be $1,560 there. So there we go. That minus that equals that amount there. And this is account 111. So now I have I've both posted and I've recorded all of these transactions. I posted them to the general ledger and I recorded them to the subsidiary ledger. Now we're going to prepare a schedule of accounts payable in the next video.